Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Torworth level crossing. Well, at least the skirts are cleaner here. Right, the time is 14:46. The 14:50 LNER service from London King's Cross to Leeds. Sorry about that, I've just burped. Should be better at this side. Safer this side. One Delta 15. Ain't even approached Retford yet though. Right. So it's not that, it's the 14:47 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross as we said, but there's one what's closer. So we're going to have that first, and then possibly go up, and then come back down again. Yeah, that's what it's going to be, 1 Alpha 3-4, Leeds to London. Still the same. My guess is they're going to put us up and put us back down again. My guess is it's going to be a quick lift because since one we were waiting for, well, 1D50. Yeah, we're staying down for that. I think we will be. It's too close to going back up and coming back down again. If it is, it'll be quickest upsy-downsy ever. Well, that was quick. There's a 91 as well, 1 Alpha 3-4. Don't believe what you see on track. Don't believe what you read on Trackside. Look at this, there's a 91. Get in. Oh, I love these trains so much. It said class 800 on my app, but obviously not. For London King's Cross. We're staying. Next, the 14:50 LNER service from London King's Cross to Leeds. Your next train's not for ages then. Just move along to Ranskill, I think. This is going to be a class 800. Here we are. Here's another Umas. Only a 5 car. Dinky little 5 car. Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Torworth level crossing. Okay, the time is 14:23 hours. Saturday the 4th of February 2023. This will be the 14:28 London North Eastern Railway service from London King's Cross to Dundee. And yeah, possibly in for your old trains as well. I think there's out higher than that. Got 1E11 just past Tarksy level crossing, so I should see him in another closure. So first we've got, yeah, 1W20 Should be up after this then. Don't know what that old train's doing though. That's what it is. Torworth, grid reference SK664866. Mileage, East Coast Main Line 1. 149 miles, 17 chains. Another Class 800. Yep, we're staying down for your 14:25 all train service from Hull to London King's Cross to Hull, because it's just left Retford. We're staying down for an Hull trains. Ranskill Loop. Here we are, here's train 1. Huh. Celebrating Scotland. We're staying. Next, the 14:28 all trains Peregrine service from London King's Cross to Hull.
Just a hobby you've got, or?
Yeah.
I'm a signalling engineer.
Are you? Which box do you go in?
I do all, I'm B-way signalling, so all over, I'm up in Fort William tomorrow.
Are you? Yeah, it's just an hobby I do.
Yeah, it don't hurt anybody, does it?
No. Have you been signalling in East Coast Main Line?
Yeah. Aberdeen, just right up to there.
Really? Are you at work today?
No, not today. I left Network Rail and I've started my own consulting company.
Oh, that's good. I bet you know what crossings then, don't you?
A few of them. I know the ones I've worked on anyway.
You know Ranskill, don't you?
Yeah.
Sutton and Barnby,
Yeah, yeah.
Botany Bay,
Oh, yeah.
Grove Road.
Yeah, I've done quite a few. Then I've done quite a few north of Edinburgh as well.
Have you?
Yeah. Mary Kay, Newsbridge.
You know Rossington, don't you?
Yeah, I was based there for quite a while.
Were you? Too busy chatting and the train's closing in. One more signalling should be here. So it's busy in here on the East Coast Main Line. That way your Dundee train what just went.
Is that the Dundee? Good old journey.
Should be here shortly. One more signal and we should start seeing him, then we should be up for a while. I think we're going to be coming back down then for a bit. In fact, where's next train? Here we are. Eight 303 301.